Okay, so we went to the courthouse. Yeah?
Spider-Man, the Bugle was apparently a false lead.
I figured that out about halfway through the huge battle at the courthouse. I'm smart that way.
I followed some of Kingpin's men. The few that survived disappeared not far from here.
They're probably rocking the secret base thing. Henchmen tend to do that.
We must investigate the location. It may be the source for their weapons.
My thinking exactly.
Let us go at once.
Yes, let us.
I will reconnoiter the surrounding area for other possible bases.
And I'll risk my neck by sneaking into the one you know about. Okay, fine.
Good luck, Spider-Man.
You too. Happy reconnoitering.
Wait, before we go, can we have another chat?
Kingpin, you ever dealt with that guy before?
Only tangentially.
Oh, I could tell you stories. I could also tell you fat jokes. That's usually what I do when I get toe-to-toe with the guy. Fat jokes. Drives him nuts.
Indeed.
I suppose it's kind of childish.
Perhaps.
But I admit it, he's got this little vein on his forehead. Oh, I love to see that thing pop when he gets all angry.
You enjoy inciting anger.
Only in the bad guys. Makes him sloppy, less likely to shoot me, you know?
You know Kingpin is a criminal. Why not destroy him?
I know I've traced some criminal things back to him, but it's not my job to destroy anybody. Look, I'm a hero, not a destroyer. I stop the bad things, point the cops in the right direction. You know, let the legal system do its job.
Yet this Kingpin still walks free.
He has almost as many lawyers as he has cupcakes. But someday he won't have enough lawyers, and he'll be put away for good. And I'll be there, watching as they take him away.
I hope you are correct.
Yeah, Kingpin is a bad guy.
Yeah. He always has been. And he always will be.
Oh no, I don't have time for this. It's right near Harlem. We're here.
This place has all the telltale signs of a secret base.
Birds of a feather.
Is this your new line of work? Goblins are us?
Leave now while you still can.
I'm glad you found work within the criminal industries.
I'm warning you, Spider-Man.
Uh-oh.
What is he doing? How's he doing that?
Uh-oh.
Ah! It's Vulture. Yeah.
You idiots, shut up! Engage him at once! Keep him busy, boys!
Watch out!
Come on. Oh, you're going down. Oh. You are so gonna get it.
Look out!
Double dare. How about that?
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Now you're definitely not getting an apology.
Thanks, but I'll take a rain check.
Watch out!
Ha.
Only if you promise to play nice.
Oh my goodness. Oh, more goons, more ways to get the vulture.
Thugs are only gonna help me, Vulture. Bring 'em on.
Get off of me. Ugh. That's it.
Try this one more time.
Come on, dude. Ow. Whoa. More guns, more ways to get the vulture. That's it. Oh yeah. Check this. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Ha.
Sorry, old timer. Your flying days are over. Cops will be here soon to gather you up and put you back in the coop.
Yeah.
How about a roll?
That's funny, dude.
Yeah. Vulture is in there.
Okay, good.
We're done.